My name is Justin Benson and my wife is Tiffany, and I got two boys that go here, Austin and Sawyer. Austin is a 4-year-old and Sawyer just turned 18 months. We chose Shepherd's Promise because we were having an issue with the center down the road, and we went and talked to the owner a couple times and they didn't really seem to get where we were coming from. So we pulled them. The leadership here from Miss Tammy and Miss Karen is great, and so we came back here, took a visit, kind of discussed our issues, and they were great. And I think my wife left in tears that day because she realized this was the place they needed to be. And we've been here ever since. That was about 3.5 years ago. This place stands out to me because my sons want to come to school every day. My 4-year-old wants to come here and learn and be around all his friends. But more importantly, I think he really enjoys the teachers. And I know my youngest son enjoys the teachers. I just think there's a family environment here that you cannot replicate, you can't fake, and we haven't found it anywhere else. We're not just another number that pays a check here. Everybody seems to be help each other out. It's things like that. You know, I want my kids to grow up in that. We believe that it takes a village to raise a child, and this is a incredibly good village for my children to be in. The 4K, Miss Lacey and Miss Jasmine and Miss Erica, they really seem to push my oldest, Austin, to do better, to learn more, to be excited about learning, which is something that he didn't get from me. Shepherd's Promise stands out to us because of the family nurturing environment that I feel like all the kids, the teachers, from Miss Tammy and Miss Karen down, it just seems to be so different from most centers that we've even set foot in. So we've been thoroughly pleased with what we've gotten here, and not saying I'm gonna have another one, but if I did, I could promise you this is where they would go to school. I mean, this place is great. It's been perfect for my family, but it's been better for my kids, and that I really appreciate. So thank you guys.